In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the HTML of an email within HubSpot. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can easily accomplish it. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the email section within your HubSpot account. This is where all of your marketing efforts come together. Begin by clicking on the Marketing tab in the top navigation menu. From there, you'll see the Email option, which you should select. This area is essentially your library of all the emails you've created or sent. It's a hub where you can oversee your email communications at a glance. Next, you'll want to locate the specific email for which you need the HTML. Scroll through your list or use the search feature if you're dealing with a substantial number of emails. Once you find the email you're looking for, click on its name. This is your direct link to viewing and managing the details of that particular piece of content. Now, we move on to viewing the web version of the email, which is a crucial step. Hover your mouse over the email's preview located under its name. You'll see an option that says View Email. Click on it. This will open a web version of your email in your browser, making it easily accessible for further investigation. Now that you have the email open in your browser, it's time to access the HTML source. This part involves a bit of tech, but I promise it's simple. Right-click anywhere on the page displaying your email. Depending on your browser, you might see an option like View Page Source, or you might need to click Inspect Element and then navigate to the Elements or Source tab. These options will reveal the raw or HTML code of the email, which is what we're after. Once you've accessed the HTML source, you're at a critical juncture. If you need to copy the email's HTML, it's as easy as highlighting the content on the page source. With the text selected, right-click again and choose Copy. You now have the HTML code on your clipboard, ready to paste wherever you need it. One thing to note is that this method is most effective for viewing the raw HTML of an email that has already been sent or is in its preview state. If you are working on building a custom-coded email template from scratch, you'll want to operate within HubSpot's Design Tools section. That's where you can input and edit HTML directly, tailoring it to your exact needs, and there you have it. Now you know how to access the HTML of an email in HubSpot. This skill not only helps you analyze and understand the structure of your emails, but also allows for careful customization. Happy emailing?